Let me just be honest with you. YouTube is sweet, but only if you know what you're doing. I mean, we put in a lot of work planning our videos. We plan, we script, we film, we edit, and we post every single week. But at the end of the day, you notice that views are dropping. You're not getting enough views. Okay, finally, your channel got monetized, but someone from somewhere will come and ask you why you're not making a lot of money from your channel. Why is your channel not making money anymore, right? So all these things will start weighing you down. You start thinking what the problem is, whereas someone from somewhere will post a 3 minutes video or even 2 minutes video about maybe how to make money online every week, and boom, the channel will catch fire. Subscribers will start trooping in, views will start compassing back to back engagement on that channel. You now feel frustrated, you feel like quitting, you just feel discouraged about everything. But all these things boils down to the niche you are into, the timing you're posting your videos, and some other factors that I'm going to be discussing on this video. If you're tired of wasting time or you plan to give up, this video will save you a lot of stress. I will be showing you 5 highest paying niche on YouTube, niches that will fetch you a lot of money even with your small views, right? Niches with high RPM. You will now earn in pay views, pay upload, and pay video. And we all know that if you're in Ghana, Nigeria, or even US, and you're making like $300 per video, you know how much that money means, especially for people in African countries. If you convert that money, you already know what or how far that money will take you. Just check, for example, maybe that video will keep on getting views day by day, month by month, year by year. That means you'll be cashing out every day by day. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Calista, and if today is the first day you're coming across this channel, in this channel we talk about YouTube growth, YouTube monetization, and making money online. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, please do sit back and click on the subscribe button. Let's dive into this video. Now, before we go into these juicy niches, let me explain what CPM and RPM means. CPM means cost per 1,000 impression. That means how much advertisers pays per 1,000 views in your channel, right? But RPM means revenue per 1,000 views. That's the actual amount you make after YouTube have taken their own percentage or their own cut. For example, let's say your CPM is $10, and when YouTube have taken maybe their 45%, you'll be left with $5 or $6, depending, right? Okay, let's say in a video you make like 5,000 views, multiply it by that RPM, which is $5 or $6, depending. It will be around $25, between $25 and $30, right? So let's say you have like 10 videos in a month, and you're making roughly between $25 and $30. If you multiply it, you see how much you're going to be making, like $300 or $250, right? But mind you, some creators, they make like over $1,000 per video. I've seen one creator make like $1,200 per video. Small creator, not all these big creators. So all these things boils down to the niche you're into, and another thing, the timing you're posting your videos, and the location of your audience. So the number one niche we'll be talking about now is finance or making money online niche. This is the highest paying niche, and there is no competition on this. You can talk about making money online, freelancing, or side hustles, credit card, loans and savings, investment and trading. The topic attracts financial advertisers, the big guys, banks, fintech companies, stock trading apps. They pay a lot of money to run their advert, right? And the CPM can go as high as $30 to $50, depending on the audience. Even if you're not a finance guru, you can still talk about how you made your first $100. You can still talk about 3 legit business that worked for you. The second one now is business and entrepreneurship. This is another gold mine niche. Yes, when you think about this kind of niche, just think about how to start an online business, how to sell digital products, productivity tips for entrepreneurs, small business marketing, right? Or why does it pay well? Because you are targeting people that are willing to spend money. You can also advertise some product like Canva Pro, Notion or Shopify to some of your viewers that are business minded. Their CPM is around $25 to $40. So this is another gold mine that you can consider going into, right? So the third one now is tech or software review. If you're a tech lover, you're going to love this one. And this is also evergreen niche that will never fade. In 10 years, 20 years time, people will still be coming for this kind of niche. And in this kind of niche, you can still talk about app tutorial, reviewing of AI tools, or showing how to use certain softwares, right? And the good part of this niche is that most of them have affiliate program on top of your ad revenue. Ad revenue, when you are monetized, you're making money through ad revenue and you're making money through affiliate program. So you see the gist. And their CPM is between $20 to $35. So the fourth one now is education or learning. We all know that YouTube is a search engine and many people come here to learn. Many people go to YouTube just to do one research or the other, or to learn one thing or the other. So if you're into education niche, you can talk about anything or many things like tutorials, how to use Excel, how to code, study hacks or learning language. And this is also evergreen content. Be it 10 years, 20 years, you can make video in January and in December it's still getting you lots and lots of views, because people always want to learn, they will always search. And one good thing about this kind of video is that it has great search engine optimization, it has high CPM, and the CPM is between $15 to $28. Is encouraging. So if you can, just go into this and you will never regret it. And finally, we've got health and fitness niche, which is the number 5th niche we are going to be talking about. So if you're into wellness, workout, food or mental health, this niche is very big enough. You can talk about 10 minutes workout at home, what I eat in a day to stay fit, or you can still talk about morning routines for mental health. And the CPM is around $10 to $25. And one good thing about this niche is that brands, they always look for influencers to influence their products for them. So even if you don't make money through your videos, which is very rare because it has high CPM, but even if you don't make money through your videos, you can make a lot of money from brand deals, right? And another good thing about this niche is that you create royal audience and community. Obviously, this is my top 5 highest paying niche on YouTube. You can choose any of them to go into. I always advise people that instead of, if you hear that YouTube is paying a lot of money, it is not all niche that pays, right? So if you're still a small channel or you're still trying to grow your channel, if you can, if it's possible for you, look for a niche that will give you money, that will sustain you, a niche that you will not see the revenue tomorrow, you feel like abandoning your channel. Maybe you feel that you're wasting a lot of time on YouTube, that YouTube is not worth it. If you can, maybe you have started something already and you're not monetized, you can delete those videos and start afresh, right? It is better for you to look for a niche, but while looking for that niche, look for something that maybe when they wake you up tomorrow, you can be able to deliver, or to give like 50 topics that you deliver without losing it or without running out of content. So if you can, I would advise you look for something that is profitable, something that will last you, or something that in the next 100 years coming, 10 years, 20 years, is still fetching you small money on YouTube, right? Because a video that is not doing well today might blow up tomorrow. It is normal. So look for something that will be profitable for you, but while doing that, also look for something that you can be able to deliver. All these things I've mentioned, you can just go through them, check for the one that you can, and join, get into it. Don't just waste time. With that, I want to be hearing, or I want you to drop on the comment section the niche you will be trying out of these 5, or if you have any other ones in mind. There are still other niches that pays a lot, but I just choose to talk about only these 5, right? So you can just drop on the comment section the ones that you will be trying out, so that I want to hear. I just want to go through them, and if I have small advice to give, I can give you, right? So with that, I've come to the end of this video, and see you guys in my next one. Ciao.